Should you have any questions pertaining to any of the content covered in this presentation, please contact the benefits team. Rochester Regional provides benefit-eligible employees with core life insurance in the amount of 1 times your base annual salary at no cost. Any core life insurance provided by Rochester Regional that exceeds $50,000 must be reported as income. You may purchase additional coverage of 1 to 5 times your annual salary, up to $1,500,000. The combined total of core life and optional life insurance cannot exceed $3 million. As a new employee, you may enroll in the lesser of 2 times your annual salary or $1,500,000 in optional life coverage without evidence of insurability. For coverage amounts greater than 2 times your annual salary or $1.5 million, you must provide evidence of insurability. Coverage in the amount of $25,000 increments up to $125,000 may be purchased for your spouse or domestic partner. Coverage amount cannot exceed 50% of the amount of optional life insurance you purchase for yourself. Coverage greater than $50,000 will require evidence of insurability. Employee must purchase optional life insurance in order to purchase spouse or domestic partner life insurance. Coverage in the amount of $5,000 or $10,000 may be purchased for your children under age 26. You'll pay the same premium regardless of the number of children being covered. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance, or AD&D, covers work and non-work related accidents that result in death or dismemberment. Rochester Regional provides benefit-eligible employees with core AD&D insurance in the amount of 1 times base annual salary at no cost. You may purchase additional coverage of 1 times to 5 times base annual salary up to $1,500,000. The combined total of core AD&D and optional AD&D insurance cannot exceed $3 million. If you enroll in optional employee accidental death and dismemberment insurance, you may elect AD&D coverage for your dependents. You may purchase AD&D coverage for your spouse or domestic partner in increments of $5,000 to a maximum of $125,000, not to exceed 50% of your optional AD&D coverage. You may purchase AD&D coverage for your children in increments of $2,000 to a maximum of $40,000, not to exceed 50% of your optional employee AD&D coverage. Coverage is available for your children up to age 26. Rochester Regional provides partial income protection in the event you are unable to work due to your own medical condition, such as an illness, scheduled surgery, or maternity leave. Eligible employees are automatically enrolled in short-term disability, or STD, at no cost. The benefit provided is 60% of base salary. You're eligible to receive STD benefits after 6 months of continuous employment. If you have an approved short-term disability, the first 7 consecutive calendar days of absence are unpaid. However, PTO or accrued vacation time may be used if available during those days. The next 25 weeks of a qualified disability leave are paid at 60% of base salary. If you do not meet the eligibility requirement for short-term disability coverage, you may be eligible for New York State statutory disability benefits. Long-term disability, or LTD, provides continued income protection in the event a disability extends beyond 26 weeks. LTD benefits will continue for as long as you're disabled, up to age 65. The benefit payable to you will be reduced by income you receive from other sources, such as workers' compensation and Social Security disability benefits. Rochester Regional provides eligible employees with a core LTD benefit with the option to purchase additional coverage. The benefit eligibility and coverage amount varies based on your position. Vice presidents and below are eligible for LTD benefits if regularly scheduled to work at least 30 hours per week. The core LTD benefit provided is 40% of earnings up to $1,500 per month. If optional LTD is purchased, the benefit will increase to 60% of base salary up to a maximum of $10,000 per month. Physicians and senior executives are eligible for LTD benefits if regularly scheduled to work 20 hours or more per week. The core LTD benefit provided is 50% of earnings up to $12,500 per month. If optional LTD is purchased, the benefit will increase to 66.7% of base salary up to a maximum of $20,000 per month. When considering whether to purchase additional LTD coverage, keep in mind, would the core LTD benefit provide enough money to meet the needs of you and your family in the event you become totally disabled? Depending on your answer, additional LTD coverage may make sense for you. If you do not enroll in the additional LTD coverage when initially eligible as a new hire, evidence of insurability will be required to obtain coverage during a future enrollment period. Enrolling in your benefits is one of your most important tasks as a new employee. You'll need to make your elections in Workday, our online benefit enrollment system, using your Rochester Regional credentials. You can access Workday from myrockhealth.com/benefits. When you log into Workday, go to your inbox located in the upper right-hand corner. Look for your new hire event to enroll. Refer to the Knowledge Builders for step-by-step enrollment instructions. If you're having difficulty logging into Workday, contact the help desk. You have up to 30 days from your hire date to complete your enrollment, but we encourage you to enroll as soon as possible. Please be aware that if you don't enroll within 30 days, you will have no coverage for most benefits. If you are not electing benefits, log in to Workday to waive your options. If you are eligible for the life and accidental death and dismemberment coverage provided by Rochester Regional, be sure to enter beneficiary information for these benefits in Workday. Thank you for viewing this presentation.